It's kind of wild how much a watch can change your training and race day. The right one can track every move, guide your pace, and keep you focused from start to finish. In this video, we're breaking down the best triathlon watches and what really sets them apart. I went through a wide mix of user feedback, expert opinions, and real discussions from forums to get a clear picture of what actually stands out. You'll see options matched to different categories, so it's worth sticking around to catch the full lineup and find the one that fits you best. If you want to check out any of these watches, you'll find the links down in the description. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If anything comes to mind or you want more details, the comment section is right there. Let's get into the picks. Garmin Forerunner 970, best overall triathlon watch. This one sits right at the top for a reason. It brings together advanced tracking, long battery life, and a very clean user experience. The Garmin Forerunner 970 is built for athletes who want detailed data without things getting confusing. You get a bright AMOLED screen that's easy to read in any light, plus both touch and button controls, which really helps during races. Battery life is a big highlight here, with up to 15 days in smartwatch mode and around 26 hours with GPS active. For training, it covers everything from swim to bike to run with smooth auto transitions. You can track cadence, stride length, ground contact time, and even get deeper insights like training readiness and recovery status. The built-in coaching plans and daily workout suggestions help keep things on track without guesswork. Navigation is strong too, with multi-band GPS and full-color maps that stay accurate in busy areas. On top of that, you've got music support, calls from your wrist, and even a small flashlight. It comes in a few color options like carbon gray, French gray, and white stone. It is a premium pick, and a few users mention the band can feel uncomfortable at times, but the feature set is hard to beat. COROS Pace 3, best budget triathlon watch. For anyone trying to keep things simple and affordable, this one really stands out. It focuses on the basics that matter most for training and race day. The COROS Pace 3 keeps things lightweight and easy to wear all day, sitting at around 30 grams with a slim build that barely gets in the way. The always-on display is clear outdoors, and the battery life is a big win here, reaching up to 24 days with regular use and long GPS sessions without stress. You still get full triathlon support with smooth auto transitions between swim, bike, and run. It tracks key data like heart rate, sleep, cadence, and effort pace, and you can build routes in the app and follow them right from your wrist. The breadcrumb-style navigation keeps things simple without overloading the screen. There are a few color choices like black, chalk, and white, with either a silicone or nylon band. This one fits nicely into the budget range, and it covers most training needs. A couple of users mentioned the interface takes a bit of time to learn, and heart rate readings can vary at times, but for the price, it delivers a lot. Garmin Forerunner 570, best triathlon watch for beginners. Getting started with triathlon gear can feel a bit overwhelming at first. This option makes things much easier to follow and keeps the focus on training. The Garmin Forerunner 570 gives you a clean layout with an AMOLED screen that's bright and easy to read, paired with both touch and button controls. It keeps things simple without cutting out the tools you actually need. Battery life reaches around 10 days in smartwatch mode, which works well for regular training without constant charging. You get full triathlon support with quick transitions between swim, bike, and run, plus over 30 activity profiles. It adds helpful features like daily workout suggestions and a training readiness score, so you can see if your body is ready or needs rest. The morning and evening reports are a nice touch too, giving a quick overview of sleep, recovery, and what's coming next. It comes in two sizes, 42 and 47 millimeters, with several color options like slate gray, amp yellow, and indigo. This one sits in the mid-range category. A few users mention occasional glitches or less consistent heart rate tracking, though for beginners, it still covers everything needed to get going. Apple Watch Ultra 3, best smartwatch-style triathlon watch. If you want something that feels closer to a daily smartwatch but can still handle triathlon training, this one goes in that direction. It blends fitness tracking with everyday features in a way that feels very natural. You get a bright display that stays easy to read even under strong sunlight, reaching up to 3,000 nits. The titanium case adds a tough feel, and the larger size gives you more room for stats during workouts. Battery life is better than older models, lasting up to about 2 days, with longer use in low power mode. Apple Watch Ultra 3 brings full multi-sport tracking with smooth transitions and accurate dual-band GPS. It tracks heart rate zones, running power, and training load, giving a clear view of effort and recovery. On top of that, it adds strong smartwatch features like calls, texts, music streaming, and voice control without needing your phone nearby. There are multiple band styles and colors, from sport-focused options to more classic looks. Apple Watch Ultra 3 lands in the premium range. The larger case can feel bulky on smaller wrists, and battery life still falls short of more training-focused watches, but it offers a very balanced mix of fitness and daily use. Garmin Forerunner 265S, best triathlon watch for small wrist. If you want something compact that still covers serious training, this one fits that role really well. It's built with smaller wrists in mind, but doesn't hold back on features. You're getting a bright AMOLED screen that stays clear outdoors, paired with button controls that help keep things steady during workouts. The lighter build, around 39 grams, makes it easy to wear all day and even during sleep tracking. Battery life holds up nicely too, with up to 15 days in smartwatch mode and strong GPS performance for longer sessions. Garmin Forerunner 265S brings a full set of training tools, including triathlon support, daily workout suggestions, and a training readiness score. It keeps track of recovery, stress, and energy levels, giving a clear picture of how your body is handling training. Multiband GNSS helps keep routes accurate, even in areas with tall buildings. Color choices range from bold combos like black and amp yellow to softer options like white stone and light pink. Band swaps are quick too, so you can change the look without much effort. It sits in the mid-range price group. Some users say the menu system feels a bit tricky at first, though after a short time, it becomes much easier to move through everything. COROS Pace Pro, best overall COROS triathlon watch. If you're leaning toward the COROS lineup and want something that feels more advanced, this one really stands out. It brings a strong mix of performance and everyday usability without going overboard. Right away, the screen grabs attention with a bright AMOLED display that stays clear outdoors, reaching up to 1,500 nits. It keeps a lightweight feel at around 49 grams, so it doesn't feel heavy during long sessions. Battery performance is a strong point too, lasting up to 20 days in regular use and holding up well during extended GPS tracking. COROS Pace Pro focuses heavily on accurate tracking, with fast satellite connection and detailed route support using offline maps. You can build routes in the app and follow them with clear turn-by-turn guidance. It supports full multi-sport tracking, including triathlon mode, along with a wide range of activity profiles for training variety. Color options include black, blue, and gray, all with a clean and simple look that fits different styles. This one falls into the lower mid-range price group. A few users mention the mineral glass can pick up marks easier than higher-end materials, though the overall feature set and battery life still make it a very appealing choice. Suunto Race, best Suunto triathlon watch. If you're looking at Suunto options, this one stands out as a strong pick for triathlon training. It blends a bold design with a wide set of tracking features. Size and feel play a bigger role here, with a 49mm case that leans on the larger side and a weight of about 83 grams. It's more noticeable on the wrist compared to lighter models, but it brings a sturdy build and long battery life in return, reaching up to 40 hours in its most accurate tracking mode and much longer in lower settings. The AMOLED screen stays clear and easy to read during workouts, even in bright conditions. Suunto Race brings dual-band GNSS for reliable positioning, along with full multi-sport support. You can load offline maps, follow routes, and track performance with detailed training insights. The built-in coaching system looks at your workouts and recovery, giving a clearer view of progress over time. There are quite a few versions to choose from, including steel and titanium models, plus colors like all black, powder blue, and charcoal. It falls into the mid-range category. Some users mention the heart rate tracking can be inconsistent and the interface may feel a bit rough at times, but the design, maps, and battery life still make it a strong option. Polar Grit X Pro, Best Polar Triathlon Watch. For those who prefer a more rugged style with a focus on outdoor training, this one goes in that direction. It feels built for tougher conditions and longer sessions. The build leans into durability with a sapphire glass lens and a design that follows military-grade standards. At around 74 grams, it's not the lightest option here, though it feels sturdy on the wrist. Battery life is strong, reaching up to 40 hours in full tracking mode and stretching much further with power-saving settings, which helps during long events or extended training days. Polar Grit X Pro brings multi-sport tracking along with detailed tools like hill tracking, performance tests, and recovery insights. It can guide you with turn-by-turn directions and keeps track of sleep and recovery to help plan your next session. The focus here is more on training data and outdoor use rather than extra smartwatch features. Color options include black, brown copper, and champagne gold with interchangeable bands for different looks. This one sits in the premium category. Some users report durability issues over time or occasional glitches, though many still appreciate the tracking features and strong outdoor focus. Timex Ironman Triathlon Classic 100, Best Timex Triathlon Watch. If you want something simple that just gets the job done, this one keeps things very straightforward. It focuses on timing and ease of use without adding extra layers. The design is lightweight and easy to wear, with a 44mm case and a clear digital display that's quick to read during workouts. The buttons give direct control over everything, which makes it easy to start, stop, or check laps without thinking twice. It's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so it handles swimming sessions without any trouble. This model is all about timing features, offering a 100-hour chronograph, lap memory, and multiple interval timers. You can store workouts, track splits, and even set reminders or alarms for different parts of your training. The Indiglo light helps keep things visible in low light, and there's even a wrist flick option to turn it on. There are a few color options like black with yellow or green accents, along with different size versions. Timex Ironman Triathlon Classic 100 sits firmly in the budget category. It doesn't include advanced tracking or smart features, and some users report the light or band wearing out over time, but for simple training, it still does exactly what you need. And that's a full look at the best triathlon watches. If you want more gear breakdowns, you can check out other videos on the channel. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you in the next one.